There's two programs. You can hire me personally, and my clients that hire me personally, think about this. If anybody has the right to call me a scammer, you can talk to people paying me a lot of money. Because if I was taking lots of money from people, like I'll give you one example, Randy. He's the owner of a big real estate company. He ran into some issues, but he's literally paid me like more than $10,000. He ain't complaining, okay? This is the type of guy that says please and thank you and is appreciative. And guess what? His credit is not 100% clean, but he's not complaining. You guys need to understand some gratitude and be grateful, because things stay on your credit for 7 to 10 years. If you can get them off in 5, I'd say that's a better deal. Imagine this. Say you were in you were in jail and the judge says, hey, you got 7 to 10 years of you being in prison. Then you hired a lawyer, and that lawyer reduced the sentence from 7 years to 5 years. That's 2 years of your life. That's a long time. A year is a long time. 6 months is a long time. So you guys got to fight tooth and nail for every moment in this life, because when you're on your deathbed, 8 seconds, 5 minutes with your loved ones is certainly going to mean a lot. So if something takes 5 years to fix, so be it. If something takes 2 years to fix, so be it. That's the truth that you have to realize. If you have no income to pay off your debt, you really can't do anything other than default and then do debt validation, do credit repair as a strategy to help reduce those settlements down to the minimum. And that time is a factor because every state has its statute of limitations. So it's really a drawn out process of waiting. You need to understand it's you versus the creditors. They want their money that you owe them. So who's the real scammer, right? Maybe it's you scamming yourself to believe that you can just go out through life expecting credit repair people to fix your issues and you just get off the hook scot-free. But all the time they fixed your credit, if they did, you still didn't learn and adopt and implement good financial habits. Later on, you're going to make the same damn mistakes before because you haven't learned your lesson. Be grateful. If there's anything I can teach you, it's to be grateful and have gratitude. And for those of you that are awesome and not pieces of shit, thank you so much for supporting the channel, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.